Hello everyone, I am Adele from my channel Here to My Capital, a chain that talks about natural remedies for immuneous diseases. Today I'm talking about a very important and essential element in the core, which is a zinc. Yes, today is a zinc. This is the summary. First, I will talk you about the definition. What is the zinc? What is the daily requirement? What is the zinc used for? Health benefits, when to take zinc, dosage, normal level, zinc, food rich in zinc, how to know signs of zinc deficiency, excess zinc, precaution, contraindication and danger, interaction with drugs. Zinc is the trace element present in a trace amount in the body. It plays an important role in the metabolism of protein, carbohydrates, and fats. What are its health benefits? In which food to find them? When to supplement? Who and how? Definition. What is a zinc? Zinc is a trace element present in the body in very small quantities. In total, the body contains 2 to 4 grams of zinc, 60% of which is in the muscles and 20% in the bones. It nevertheless plays an important role in many vital enzymatic processes such as DNA synthesis, blood clotting, immune defense, or growth. What is the daily requirement? For the adult man, 12 mg per day. Adult woman, 10 mg per day. For pregnant and lacting women as well in the elderly between 15 and 23 mg per day. What is zinc used for? Zinc is most often known from its action on the skin, nails and hair, and for its antioxidant properties against oxidative stress. But its virtues do not stop there. It intervenes in additional, in particular, at the level of 1. The human immune system by increasing the number of T cells, wound healing, DNA and protein synthesis, insulin metabolism, bone maintenance, development and the proper functioning of the nervous system, preservation of taste and smell, prevent of prostate problem, sperm production. Now, health benefits of zinc. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and healing properties, zinc helps fight against skin problems such as acne, psoriasis, dermatitis. There are drugs for food supplements based on zinc indicated for these skin pathologies. It is also an essential element of the synthesis of keratin and collagen protein that make up 95% of our hair. Combined with the vitamin B6, it gives them strength, flexibility, and shine. And as an antioxidant, zinc helps neutralize free radicals and thus slow down eyes and skin again. When to take a zinc? It is better to take a zinc on an empty stomach because this is when it is best absorbed by the body. The next question, dosage normally level zinc-semia. Zinc-semia is a measure of the level of the zinc in the blood. Normally, blood level of the zinc should be 1.25 mg per liter of blood. What is the foods rich in zinc? The absorption of zinc is very variable, 8 to 85% depending on the food ingested. It is generally high from products of animal origin than the vegetable origin. The main animal sources of zinc are liver, cheeses, meats, eggs, fish, cow milk. The main plant sources of zinc are whole grains, pulses, oilseeds, fresh vegetables, and potatoes. How to know signs of zinc deficiency? Zinc deficiencies can lead to many problems such as number one, fatigue that you can't move, development disorders, skin pathologies such acne, eczema, or difficulty healing. Weakness the immune system, which is less effective in fighting infections. A zinc deficiency will also lead to taste and smell disorder, as well as sexual disorder, included decreased infertility in men. Now I tell you about excess zinc. When you take excess zinc, what can happen? The ANC is 12 milligram per day for men and 10 milligram per day for women, and excess of zinc is toxic. In the case of excessive consumption of zinc, one may present symptoms such as difficulty speaking, difficulty walking, difficulty tremors and digestive disorder, nausea and vomiting. In addition, an excess of zinc in the body reduces the level of good cholesterol HDL in the blood and prevents the absorption of copper, which is also essential for the body. Now I speak you about few precautions when you take zinc. Taking zinc supplements over a long period of time can expose the decreased immunity and copper deficiency. Beware of foods with a high phytic acid, contain whole grain foods or pulses, can form complex with zinc which will reduce its absorption and therefore its effectiveness. Zinc supplementation may be helpful for vegetarians. Beware of foods with high phytic acids contain whole grain foods or pulse can from complex with the zinc which will reduce the absorption and therefore its effectiveness. No zinc during breastfeeding or pregnancy. Zinc supplement should be ingested at least 2 hours before or 2 hours after. Dietary supplements contain iron, copper, or calcium.